So I got a question for y'all 2011 to 2016 owners. You have your armrests here. I tend to sit my arm right here. And for some reason, when I want to reach for that driver window, I always tend to reach for these. I don't go that extra step. So this is something that I'm going to have to get used to, but is this just me, or did this happen to you for a while? Did you have to get used to kind of getting those switches? I still find myself after a few months kind of finding this the more natural position. This should have been maybe a little bit further back, but I don't know. Let me know. Has this happened to you? 2011 to 2016 F250.